Oh friends, welcome to a new video. Top 5 Best
Electric Bike. Electric bike with pedal assist and swappable bike seats, easily transition between 3 pedaling modes, full throttle, pedal assist, or pedal only. Fold and go design. The ultra-strong, aluminum alloy frame can support riders up to 242.5 pounds. Superior stopping power. Dual disc brakes and auto-guard technology combine to give this motorized bike greater control and more reliable stopping. Stay connected. Need to use navigation or ride tracking apps? Simply mount your smartphone to the handlebars. Smoother riding, better traction. Buy 14-inch front and 12-inch rear air-filled rubber tires. Number 4, Gopless Folding Electric Bicycle. Easy compact fold and an efficient ride when ridden on paved surfaces, perfect for city road. Allows for plenty of saddle height adjustment to suit the rider and is fitted with a quick release clamp to assist in folding the bike quickly. Range per charge 16 miles with pedal assist, recharging time, about 4 hours, at low battery. Made of aluminum alloy and very lightweight, easy to carry and storage. Two-speed electronic transmission system, charger all approved. Number 3, Anch-Gear Folding Electric Bicycle. Folding frame. This e-bike is easy to fold and save more space for storage. 20-inch wheels. Note, this is not a bike, just a folding bike. Collapses for easy storage. The folding bike provided with both good anti-pressure ability. Tips. Our bike's 6.5 waterproof range protects your trip on rainy days. Number 2, Elite Folding Electric Bike, Ride Your Way, a hybrid mix between a traditional bike and an electric power bike, the Swag Cycle. Extended mileage, capable of going up to 15.5 miles on a single charge, with a powerful 350 watts motor. Removable battery. The motorized bike's swappable 36-volt Li-ion battery can fully recharge in 3-4 hours. Rugged, smooth and steadfast, with an IPX4 rating and advanced rear suspension. Gold standard service. All new Swagtron e-bikes enjoy a 1-year limited. Number 1, Magnum Peak Premium Electric Mountain Bike, powerful build and frame, with its sleek and sturdy high-step frame. Premium quality brake and gear shift system, equipped with the advanced long-lasting and fast-charging lithium battery. The Magnum Peak's power doesn't stop at just its motor and frame. extremely fast DAS kit R4 motor, decked out with a DAS kit R4 rear gear hub motor, you'll be able to quickly and easily bright and easily readable backlit display, with the fixed backlit monochrome LCD display.